Got a baby on her tummy. Hi, wallaby. Yeah, that's it. Nasa garden ko siya. Tingnan mo. Good morning, wallaby.
Hola.
Kala ko dati kangaroo yan. I thought it's a kangaroo before when I first came in here. And then suddenly they said, it's a wallaby. I said, what's the difference of wallaby and the kangaroo? They are look like the same.
No, they're much smaller.
Huh?
They're much smaller.
Ah, they're smaller.
Hi.
Tingnan mo si
It's staring
Jordan.
at me.
Tingnan mo si Jordan. Kinakawayan niya yung wallaby.
Hello.
Kinakausap niya yung wallaby. Sa harapan ng bahay namin yan. Oh, yun na, umalis na. Oh. Bye, wallaby.